Ladies and gentlemen, as we already calculated total or just sum of our students' marks, you may also interested just like to calculate the average, right? Average of marks. So in that case, what you should do also, you can just write average like this one. Let me apply the same font style like this one with bold. Now what we should do is just to start with equal sign, then average here. The number is in uppercase, then we write from where to where. We just need to select. We just need to select here. Do you see? From C2 to mean this is C, then with row number 2. Do you see? C2, we scroll up to C8 also. Do you see? This one. Now after this one, just click enter. Now is at 8%. Do you see? This is our average. So it's just also simple. What you need to do is just to understand here formulas. For sum is just to write equal sum, then you select the, and for average is just to write equal average, then also you select the range where you want to make summation. So thank you. See you in the next lesson where we'll see how now to save our data after fulfilling our Excel sheet, our document. We need now to save it. So I will show you how you can save it.